Welcome to Fresh Remodel, where we bring new life to your home with top-quality roofing solutions, from metal to shingles as well as tiles. Take a look at our metal option. Each roof you see represents our commitment to excellence. Here, the modern architectural tiles are not just about aesthetic appeal, but about enduring quality that protects homes for decades. Notice the precision in the installation process, visible in the clean lines and perfect symmetries. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that every tile is perfectly placed, providing maximum protection and visual appeal. And the same goes for metal, as well as shingles. Our choice of materials reflects our dedication to sustainability and durability. These eco-friendly options not only reduce environmental impact, but also offer enhanced resistance against the elements, ensuring your peace of mind no matter the weather. We understand that a roof is more than just a part of your home. It's a shield that protects your loved ones. That's why we use only the highest grade materials, ensuring each home is safe and sound beneath a Fresh Remodel roof. Each project is a journey. From initial design consultations to the final touches, our team works closely with homeowners to transform their visions into reality. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and it shows in every project we complete. Thank you for watching. If you're looking to upgrade your home with a roof that combines beauty, durability, and craftsmanship, think Fresh Remodel. Contact us today to start your home transformation.